How to Become Rich. Think and Grow Rich is a book written by Napoleon Hill in 1937. Everyone wants to become successful in life. We will go through 10 specific aspects of success by Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill had interviews with many successful people of his time and his own experiences, and it is focused on the idea that success is not a matter of luck or circumstance, but rather a result of specific habits, attitudes, and actions. Number 1. Desire. The first step towards success is to have a clear and specific goal that you desire to achieve. It's not enough to simply wish for success, you must have a burning desire to achieve your goal. This desire should be so strong that it drives you to take action towards achieving your goal, no matter what obstacles you may face. Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, had a burning desire to create beautiful and innovative products that would change the world. Number 2. Faith. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goal. Develop a mindset of positive expectancy, and have faith that you will achieve your goal. This faith should be so strong that you can see yourself already having achieved your goal. Oprah Winfrey, media mogul and philanthropist, credits her success to her unshakable faith in herself and her ability to achieve her goals. Number 3. Autosuggestion. Use positive affirmations and self-talk to program your subconscious mind for success. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can be used to help you achieve your goals. By repeating positive affirmations and self-talk, you can program your subconscious mind to believe in your ability to achieve your goals. Muhammad Ali, the legendary boxer, famously repeated positive affirmations such as "I am the greatest" to program his subconscious mind for success. Number 4. Imagination. Use the power of your imagination to create a mental picture of what you want to achieve. Visualize yourself already having achieved your goal, and focus on this mental image as you work towards your goal. Your imagination can help you stay motivated and focused on your goal, even when faced with challenges and setbacks. Walt Disney, the founder of Disney, used the power of his imagination to create a magical world of cartoons and theme parks that has captivated generations of people around the world. Number 5. Specialized knowledge. Acquire specialized knowledge and skills that are relevant to your goal. To achieve success in any field, you must have a deep understanding of that field and the skills required to succeed in it. Continuously seek to improve your knowledge and skills in your chosen field, and stay up to date with the latest developments and trends. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX and Tesla, has a deep understanding of physics and engineering, and has continually sought to improve his knowledge and skills in these areas. Number 6. Organized planning. Develop a specific plan of action to achieve your goal. Break down your goal into smaller, manageable steps, and create a detailed plan for how you will achieve each step. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and will make it easier for you to measure your progress towards your goal. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, is known for his meticulous planning and attention to detail, which has helped him achieve his goals and build one of the most successful companies in history. Number 7. Persistence. Keep working towards your goal, even in the face of obstacles and setbacks. Success is rarely achieved overnight. It requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. Stay focused on your goal, and keep taking action towards achieving it, no matter what challenges you may face along the way. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections before finally finding a publisher for her books. She persevered in the face of adversity and went on to become one of the most successful authors of all time. Number 8. The power of the mastermind. Surround yourself with a supportive network of individuals who share similar goals and aspirations. Join a mastermind group, or form one of your own, and collaborate with others to achieve your goals. The collective wisdom and support of a group can help you achieve success more quickly and easily than if you were working alone. Warren Buffett, the billionaire investor, has credited much of his success to the network of successful investors and business people he has surrounded himself with over the years. Number 9. The power of the subconscious mind. Use your subconscious mind to attract success and achieve your goals. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can be used to help you achieve your goals. By visualizing your goals and using positive affirmations and self-talk, you can program your subconscious mind to believe in your ability to achieve your goals. Jim Carrey, the comedian and actor, famously wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered before he was famous, and visualized himself achieving this goal until it became a reality. Number 10. Transmutation. Transform negative emotions and energy into positive ones that can help you achieve success. Negative emotions such as fear, doubt, and anger can hold you back from achieving success. Learn to transmute these negative emotions into positive ones such as courage, faith, and enthusiasm, which can help you stay motivated and focused on your goal. Nelson Mandela, the South African anti-apartheid activist and former president, famously turned his anger and frustration at the injustices of apartheid into a powerful force for change and reconciliation. If you think that the video was valuable, then please subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Thank you.